Welcome to my channel, Learn to Code. Here I will be sharing programming tutorials for beginners. Today's video is about top, easy and popular programming languages. Learning any programming language isn't an easy task. There are different programming languages to learn from. Before learning any programming language, one should know what is the best, easy and useful programming language. This video will help you choose the right programming language that suits one's needs. I have arranged the languages based on their easiness in learning, popularity and job opportunities. So without wasting any time, let's begin the video.
Number 1. Python.
These days Python is one of the most widely used high-level, general-purpose programming language. It is regarded as best and easy language to learn for beginners. It is created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. It is completely free and open source programming language. Writing a program in Python is as easy as writing an essay. Just write the thing you want to be done by your program. Due to its ease in learning and simplicity, it is one of the most popular programming language for beginners. If you are interested in making web apps such as Google, Instagram and Netflix, then Python is the programming language you should go for.
Features of Python.
1. It supports multiple programming, object-oriented, reflective, imperative and functional programming. 2. Useful for creating desktop and web applications. Also, it is widely used in the field of machine learning and data science. 3. It has a clean syntax. 4. It is completely free, can be downloaded from python.org.
Number 2. Ruby, also popular as Ruby on Rails.
Ruby is a dynamic general-purpose programming language. It is designed and developed by Yukihiro Matsumoto. Ruby is similar to Python. In fact, it is as easy as Python to understand. It focuses on syntax, which is easy to read by humans. Hence it has gained popularity as the easiest among other programming languages. It is the language that powers the framework, Ruby on Rails, which is behind websites such as Twitter, Groupon and GitHub.
Features of Ruby.
1. Ruby on Rails is a web framework built on Ruby. In recent times, we've seen a great rise in the number of Ruby on Rails job opportunities in new startups. 2.it is easy to learn with a helpful 20-minute quick start guide on the official Ruby website. 3. As said above, Ruby on Rails is used to create web applications. Within a few minutes, one can create a web blog.
Number 3. Java.
Java was developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in the 1990s. Today, it's maintained by Oracle. Java is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It is general-purpose programming language and based on object-oriented programming. It is developed on the principle, write once, run everywhere. The syntax of Java is based on C and C++. Knowing Java programming opens doors in terms of employment and makes you ready for coding career.
Features of Java.
1. Java is portable and cross-platform. You will find it on any platform, operating system, and devices. 2. Java is used to build Android applications and also used as a server-side language.
Number 4. Kotlin.
Kotlin is cross-platform general-purpose programming language. It is developed and designed by JetBrains. Kotlin is designed to interoperate fully with Java. Kotlin is sponsored by Google, announced as one of the official languages for Android development in 2017. If you are interested in making Android apps and games, then Kotlin is for you. Kotlin can give you various opportunities in an Android development career.
Number 5. Swift.
Swift is a general-purpose programming language developed by Apple Inc. for iOS and Linux. Swift is friendly to new programmers. It's an industrial-quality programming language that's as expressive and enjoyable as a scripting language. If you do not own an iPhone or iPad, then there is no meaning in learning this language. Because to develop Swift-based programs you will need a device running on iOS.
Number 6. C++.
C and C++ programming languages are probably the first programming language you learned. It is high-level programming language. It is developed by Bjarne Stroustrup. C++ is an intermediate-level language. C++ has a complex syntax, but it is one of the most fundamental programming language, and will help you to clear your basics. C++ have been used to build numerous pieces of software, operating systems, desktop apps, mobile apps, web apps, game engines, etc.
Number 7. JavaScript.
JavaScript is another language which is in high demand at present. It is also called as the language of the web. One should not get confused with Java and JavaScript. Both are completely different. JavaScript is difficult to learn than Python and Ruby. JavaScript has syntax similar to C.
Features of JavaScript.
1. JavaScript is used to build web pages. It is used in modern browsers. 2. It is also used in mobile application development. In the next coming videos I will be uploading tutorial series, Python for Beginners. Please like, share and subscribe.